Aura frames are cloud-based devices that require two essential components to function properly: a stable Wi-Fi connection and access to cloud services for photo synchronization. A stable Wi-Fi connection is absolutely essential for your Aura frame to operate. The frame must maintain constant connectivity to download and display new photos from your linked accounts. Recent changes to Google's Photos API have significantly impacted Aura Frame's ability to automatically sync photos. This has temporarily disrupted the autosync feature that many users rely on. Until the autosync issue is resolved, you can manually upload photos using the Aura app on your phone or through the web uploader. The app provides full control over your frame's photo management. Aura frames support multiple photo file formats, including JPEG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, BMP, and HEIC. While animated GIFs are supported, compatibility may vary depending on the specific GIF format used. Understanding these fundamental requirements helps explain why your Aura frame may not be updating. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues. Start troubleshooting by checking Aura's official status page for any service outages or maintenance notices that might affect your frame's connectivity. If the service is running normally, troubleshoot the Aura app. Force close the app completely, then reopen it. Ensure both the app and your device's operating system are fully updated. For Wi-Fi connectivity issues, ensure your network is stable and working with other devices. Move the frame closer to your router, then restart both your router and the Aura frame. Verify your album settings and photo uploads. Ensure new photos have been added to the album linked to your frame, and confirm that photo uploads haven't been paused in the app. Reboot your Aura frame by unplugging the power cord, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves many connectivity issues. If problems persist, reset the frame using the small reset pinhole on the device. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve your Aura frame issues, contact Aura Customer Care for personalized technical support and further assistance.